Hi guys, I'm Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. So that was a glimpse of Koti street shopping. So this is that Sultan bazar area. There will be a whole lane which has really amazing street shopping. So if you haven't been to Koti, then that was a glimpse, and you'll get everything from accessories to shoes, like kurtas, some party wear dresses in some stores, and some sarees, different kind of sarees for like everyday use, or if you're looking for something that you can get stitched into a dress. Mostly a lot of junk jewelry, a lot of really beautiful earrings. So Koti market also has very beautiful accessories collection. It's a little similar to what I've seen in Charminar during Ramzan. So they have all those beautiful jhumkas. So if you miss them during Ramzan, you can explore this market. They have very beautiful jhumkas, chandbalis, and a lot of really beautiful earrings and accessories for your Indian wear as well. Oxidized, and even these meenakari jhumkas. So I will try and put clips here so that you can see, and I've gotten some similar ones at Charminar, so I did not buy here. So not just this stretch, but once you come out of the lane also, there's a lot of stores even on the main road. There's a lot of street vendors, there's a lot of small and big stores as well. So I usually start off at the beginning of the metro station. So probably there's a store called Coal Black. I have done a couple of videos showing you their footwear collection from earlier. So now they have clothing as well. So I usually start either at this end, or basically I start on the other end. So this time I started on the other end, and near this lane also you will see a lot of really good stores like New Bharat Enterprises. I have done a couple of videos in the past, so I will link all of those Koti playlists also, like all of the videos, so that you can explore the entire area. There's a really good shopping place, and if you're looking for street shopping or basically small brands which have like designer clothes or boutique style clothes, so you will see a lot of really beautiful party wear dresses also in this area in Badichori. So do take the time and explore the entire area and not just the street shopping place, because you will find some amazing picks here. I'll try and explore some other stores as well, but if you have anything else in specific, do leave them in the comments below. Now let's begin, and I will show you guys my haul. As I show you guys my haul, I will explain to you guys what else you can. So I have some fun street shopping things which I got. I have like bag full of things. Let's begin. First, let's start off with what I got from Kolbak, and then we'll move on to the street shopping. So this is a store which usually has footwear. Now they have clothing as well. They have like party gowns, reception gowns. I have a whole video coming up, but I'll just put some clips here so that you get an idea. And you will find the store in Google Maps. I'll link it below. So do check out the store if you're in that area. They do customized outfits as well. Mostly starting from the price range of like 1500 to 2000, and they go up to like 10,000 or 11,000 for the heavier gowns. They have a sale on their footwear. Everything is for 199. So anyway, in the 199 section, I picked up these shoes. I thought they're very cute. They're like all net, and it has pearls here. This sort of like a light yellow, sort of almost like a faded yellow, but I felt like once they cleaned it up, I thought they looked very cute, and it was just for 199, and it has a small heel. I thought they look really cute with like long gowns or Indian wear as well. So this is the only thing that I got from Coal Black. Now moving on to street shopping. I see a lot of footwear stores, and most of them start from like 150 rupees and go up to 300 or 350 at the max. Of course, there's a lot of bargaining. Some of the stores did not let me shoot inside, but they do have like really good collection. There were 2-3 stores in the middle of the road, like middle of the street, but almost at the end of the street, I like one store. So if you enter from the Coal Black lane, a little ahead on the right side, you will see a store which has 2 shops on the top, and there's a little bit of collection on the street side as well. So in that store, they have really good collection. I really like these pastels. They were not available in my size, most of the pastels, but the lavender and the yellow, they look really nice, and some of the collection is very similar to Zara and H&M. So I really like this collection as well. They have nice Indian wear kind of footwear as well, and in block heels and a lot of other varieties also. They have really good collection. So in this store, I ended up getting these home chappal. So they're like that soft fuzzy kind of chappal. So when you wear these in home, usually your feet don't get cracks. So if you put on lotion and then nicely wear these. So I really like wearing these in the house. In winters they are really good, especially in the mornings when it's super cold. So I got these. I think I paid 300 for this and they were not ready to reduce the price at all. He kept saying that it's fixed price, but they had collections starting from 150, and a lot of these really good footwear that you see is 150 to 200. Really good quality. I quite liked it. I like them better than what I usually find at Max. And last time when I went Koti street shopping also, I picked up a bunch of these. I think they last quite long and the quality is actually good, but I do wish they reduced the price. However, yeah, so this is one of my picks. And then a lot of street vendors and the side stores also have really beautiful kurtas starting from around 650 rupees. Some kurtas, the straight cut ones, a little bit of chikankari kurtas, this machine work chikankari kurtas, they are priced around 350 rupees and they have a lot of really beautiful pastel colors, and there's a lot of kurtas under 500. But if you're looking for nice gowns and slightly heavier kurtas, then they're around 650 to 750. I have one of these kurtas in a light baby blue, and I also have it in a navy blue. I got the navy blue one from Shilpa Ramam and a light blue one from the Necklace Road exhibition. I think they were priced around 750 or so. Here also it's the same. They start around 650, and some store vendors are reducing the price a little bit. Some of them say that it's a fixed price. These pastel chikankari kurtas look so beautiful. Some of the vendors in the center, like small street side vendors, have sarees. These are usually priced around 300, and I picked up one of them because I wanted to do a trial. So last time also I picked up two pieces which were around 5 meters, and they were really good for 300. That price was amazing to make lehengas. I will try and insert a clip here, or basically you can check out my older video. I'll try and link it. So this time I got this. So it's just a shiny kind of fabric in green. They had them in a couple of different colors, pastels, yellows and pinks. So this is the detailing that it has. It's sort of like a self design here and all. So I've been meaning to make like a corset kind of a dress in a long gown, but you know that these corset kind of tops or corset dresses with good fitting on the top, they're not usually available in plus sizes obviously, so you will have to get it customized, and Leah Clothing and some others online do it, but they're super expensive. And I was planning to get one stitched with a local tailor, and I obviously, because I'm experimenting a little bit, I wanted to try it out with a fabric that's not too expensive. So I got this. I want to get a flowy dress with a flare from the waist, but on the top I wanted to have that corset kind of a look, maybe with elastic. I'm not really sure but I will try and you know, show you guys, take you guys through the process when I'm getting it stitched. So I got this for that, so that I can do a sample run, trial run and see how it goes. So this was 300, and the same guy, the vendor, had like really nice colors. So yeah, you can check out these as well. You can get them stitched into normal dresses for your college, or even wear it as a sari. As a sari also this will look good. Imagine wearing this with like a sequin silver sleeveless blouse or a crop top, or a gold crop top, then I think it will look really nice. So now moving on to accessories, I got a ton of accessories, and usually these vendors have really good accessories. So from one of the stores I picked up 2-3 different pieces. So this is one of them. Just look at this. It is so pretty. Let me open this up. So a lot of these stores have very delicate, dainty jewelry that you see on like Urbanic or what we used to get in Shein. So right now I think maybe Myntra or Amazon have such detailing, such accessories. So look at this one. It has that shell detailing, a very pretty one. Very beachy, but also can be worn on your regular wear. But this one was for 150 rupees. I've seen such accessories in Mumbai when I've been to Kolaba. So in Hyderabad actually, even KPHP street shopping has really beautiful dainty jewelry. So you can check that out also if the Koti market is too far for you. But just look at this, it's so pretty, you guys. So this is the next piece which I got. This is a 3-layered neck piece. This was also, I think it was for 150 rupees or 120 rupees. So yeah, some of these vendors were ready to bargain. Some of them kept saying it's a fixed price. So again, something that you would usually get on like Shein or Myntra or Amazon. So I think that's a pretty good price. Plain earrings with a little bit of stone detailing. So I thought it would look really nice as a neck piece or as a hair band. So even as a hair accessory, I think you can pin it up and wear it, or as a choker, I think it would look really pretty. I think I'll show you guys like separately without this so that you can get a better look. But just look at the detailing, you guys. It looks very, very beautiful. Has very pretty rose gold and stones. So I think the same accessories are priced quite heavily online. So I think street shopping is really fun. Some more accessories, earrings. So this one I think was for 100 or 150. I thought this was very Zara H&M like because I've seen some accessories on Zara like last year during sale, and I think I couldn't end up getting it, but I think this one looks very, very pretty. So this vendor had a lot of different pieces similar to this in different colored stones, and even in the white stones also he had a lot of variety. So this is the next piece. This was pretty less actually, I think 100 or 120, and these are kind of in right now, right? So I've seen Amama Jewellery do them, like I've seen a lot of bloggers wear them as well, and even the longer versions are quite in, but I thought those were like really long, so I got this. The store I think is kind of in the center of the entire street, so they had a lot of different versions of this with longer danglers. It has pearl and stones. I think it looks very nice for like parties, or if you're heading out for a dinner or something. It looks very beautiful. Again, these used to be in trend a while back, but I feel like they've come back again. So these sort of like beaded jewelry has been doing really well. I thought this would look very nice paired along with the watch. So I like to layer a bracelet along with my watch. So I think this would look really nice for that. Hair clips. So this is a rose gold one. I think it looks very cute. So I think these were like 20 rupees. There's our price from 20 rupees to 50 rupees, and there's a slight scope for bargaining. So when I went to Charminar also, I picked up a bunch of clips. So these sort of come in very handy. So there's some colorful ones. I think it would look really nice when worn. It has kind of a... That's what it looks like. I think I can put it at the back and it would look really nice. It has very pretty stones, black and white. I think these would look really nice for college or like even casually. If you're someone who is into clips, then I think it would look really nice even at the back or on the side also. They look very pretty. Next up, I got a pair of bangles, a set of bangles. So I think these were for 50 rupees. So they had different categories. Some of these were 50 rupees and there were some which were priced at 100 and 150 depending on the quality. These are exactly the same sort of bangles that you would find at Charminar. So I think that was it for my haul. So at one of the ends we got these jute bags. I think this was for 100 or 150. I'm not able to recollect. Pretty big one. So if you're going out vegetable shopping or groceries, I think this is pretty good. So that was my haul, and that was some more on Koti street shopping. So if you're looking for some fun street shopping, if you're looking for kurtas, accessories, then this is a great place to try. I did not pick up much of Indian accessories this time, but because I have gotten them during Ramzan from Charminar. They have the exact same jhumkas here as well. Very, very beautiful meenakari jhumkas and heavy jhumkas, and the prices are also quite similar. So most of these start at 100 rupees and go up to 250 or 300 at the max. All of these jhumkas and chand balis are very, very similar. The collection is beautiful. If you haven't gone to Charminar recently, then you have to try out this place. So they have very beautiful collection in different colors and different sizes. So you can get them for your kurtas or the upcoming festival season, for any of these festivals, and even for weddings. So do check them out. If you have been to Koti recently, do let me know how your experience was. And I have some other videos coming up where I've explored some other stores around Koti. If you have any suggestions, also do let me know in the comments below, and also let me know what other street markets you would like me to explore or any other stores that you would like me to explore. If you haven't seen my previous videos, then do check them out. I'll leave all my videos related to Koti and Sultan Bazar in the description description box. Do check them out, and I'll also leave my previous videos here. And do find me on Instagram. You'll see quick updates there, and also some fun shopping reels and hauls and even styling videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do subscribe to this channel and my Telugu channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.